Welcome to the taste of Abu Dhabi.
One of the best days of my life.
Well, it's an interesting day. Quite a few restaurants, quite a few dishes to try, but should be fun.
Hello. Taste of Abu Dhabi is an annual mega foodie festival with more than a dozen of the best restaurants in the capital, serving up special tasting menus. It takes place between Friday, November the 10th and Sunday, November the 12th at Gateway Park South on Yas Island. All restaurants at the event have a special tasting menu, and the prices for each dish range between 20 and 40 dirhams. Additionally, there are plenty of other activities such as kids shows, playgrounds, cooking classes and giveaways, and much more to keep everyone entertained. Before we get into the food tasting, let's have some fun first, as it's not something you want to do on a full stomach. But now it's time to go and eat.
So we start with a Desert Lotus restaurant, or whatever it's called. It's Desert Lotus, you can see it right behind me. And we'll start with sea cake. Sea cake, you get few of those things and a dip. So let's give this a try. It's okay, nothing, I wouldn't say anything special, but yeah, nice, freshly cooked seafood cake. Now we have Bo's roll from the same place, so the little guy will give it a taste. So if you want to see Bo's roll, it's I guess a sushi roll with some tuna and some avocado in it. Is it good? Good. And now the last one, I will give it a try as well. This one is actually quite nice. Okay, next up, truffle risotto. So let's give this a try and see if it's any good. And that's actually from the place next door, Marco by Marco Pierre White. He improved, not much, but definitely an improvement on the previous one. And then we also have a little pizza, which will be tested by the little guy here. Basic pizza, cheese and bread. Can't go wrong for kids.
What a great start, but there is still so much to try and taste. So let's keep moving.
So what are you eating and how is it?
Very good. Lemon hodamaki. Really is
What's
cucumber.
inside it?
Cucumber and salmon.
Well, we've got a couple of more things here. We've got potato with some mayo, and we've got a burger. So let's give this a try. And that's from Oak Room, which is, I'll show you right after I try it. Yeah, really nice. Now, the burger time. This is really good. A lot of meat for the small burger, so a bit hard to eat, but really tasty. Okay, I guess we found it. The Cheetos popcorn. Which one?
What flavor would you like?
Next we have a brisket burger. Let's give this a try. This is beautiful. This is by far the best one so far. Beautiful. And the next one, we've got a bit of a corn. So I think it might be a bit spicy, but we'll give this a try as well. Nice, but too oily. Heart attack waiting to happen. There's one more thing I wanted to try before departure, so we're gonna go and pick it up right now to give this a try and see. Hopefully there's not such a big queue there. Thank you.
One of the best days of my life.
Well, and that concludes our day at Taste of Abu Dhabi. What a great event. We've tasted so many delicious dishes, enjoyed our time there, and it's definitely worthwhile visiting and highly recommended. So, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give us a like, subscribe,
One of the best
and
days of my life.
happy and safe travel, everyone.